Good evening and welcome to Pigeon Perspective, the only news source that matters. Our top story tonight, the city's war on our finest seating. Officials have installed hostile architecture on the head of General Bartholomew, a prime location for generations. And now for sports. The East Side Flyers have clinched a decisive victory over the downtown Dive Bombers in the annual Central Park Marathon. In culinary news, a gourmet-grade potato delicacy was discovered on Elm Street. Reports say it was lightly salted and perfectly crisp. That's all for now. Stay cool and keep your feathers preened.